Anandavalleswaram Sree Mahadeva Temple in Kollam is one of the ancient temples in Kerala. Lord Shiva and Goddess Anandavally are the main deities of the temple. According to folklore, sage Parasurama has installed the idol of Lord Shiva. The temple is a part of the 108 famous Shiva temples in Kerala. The main Sanctum Sanctorum of Anandavalleswaram Sri Mahadeva Temple is 1200 years old and it is constructed in teak wood. This is the only Hindu temple in India which has the deities of Sree Krishnan, Maha Vishnu, Bhoomi Devi and Lakshmi Devi consecrated as idols under a single structure, Sanctum Sanctorum. It is believed that Kollam Anandavalleeswaram Temple is one of the 108 Shiva temples of Kerala and is installed by sage Parasurama dedicated to Shiva. It is one of the three Mahadeva temples of Kollam city, is mentioned in 108 Shivalaya Sothram. The second temple in the 108 Shivalaya Sothram is Kollam Rameswaram Mahadeva Temple and the third temple is Thrikkadavoor Mahadeva Temple. The presiding deity of the temple is Shiva, facing west in the main Sanctum Sanctorum, and his consort Devi Parvathy is also in the same Sanctum Sanctorum facing east. Lord Shiva of this temple is called as Ananda Swaroopan and Devi Parvathy is called as Swayamvara Parvathy Anandavally. It is believed that both the deities are said to be in a happy state and hence the temple name Anandavalleeswaram, Anandam in Malayalam means joy. Initially, the temple had only Shiva as the deity and Devi Parvathy was consecrated later in the form of Anandavalli. Even though Devi Parvathy's Garbhagriha is the immediate one to the entrance, one is supposed to enter the temple only through the door which lead to the Sanctum Sanctorum of Lord Shiva. Sub-deities Ganapati, Murugan, Sree Krishnan, Hanuman Swami, Swami Ayyappan, Maha Vishnu, Lakshmi Devi, Bhoomi Devi, Naga Devadas. The annual festival of Anandavalleswaram Mahadeva Temple is celebrated for 10 days in the month of March-April. This 10 days festival will begin with the traditional Thrikkadavoor. Shivaratri festival is the other important one celebrated by the temple every year. Om Namah Shivaya.